I love how this program has given me such new experiences. I can work with people on different projects and have different ideas, and I really, really like that. I think it'll help me a lot when I go into the engineering field, as I want to be a mechanical engineer, and I want to help make prosthetics. Working with a group is something that engineers have to do a lot, and I think this program has given me the experience to be able to do that well.
Hi, my name is John Ude. I'm the engineering instructor here at Firebaugh High School. I actually started this program from day one back in, 11, 12 years ago. And I'm happy to see that this program has grown to the extent that it has grown to. Because everything you see around here, you look around you, even the clothes that you're wearing is being designed. Without engineering, I don't think we'll be able to achieve, overcome, do the kind of stuff that we're doing. Even the camera that you have there was designed by an engineer for us to be able to communicate and essentially expose what we're doing here with the outside world. The bridges you see, the skyscrapers you see, all this has been designed by even the toothbrush that you use has been designed by engineers as well too. So it's important, and this program is actually important because honestly speaking, I think we're trying to bridge the gap. There is so many engineering jobs out there that needs to be filled, and I think that this provides a great opportunity for our students to be able to take advantage of that.